Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 30SE, and today I'll show you how you can apply a tempered glass to this phone. Now, as you can see, I'll be using a TG for a different phone, but it doesn't really matter. The screen size is basically identical, so when I can see how dry I apply it, you can see that it fits perfectly on the screen. So that's what I will be using. Anyway, with your tempered glass, you should get obviously the TG and also, there we go, a wet and dry wipe. Let's see, here we have a wet one. Now, I personally won't be using this. This one is semi-wet, just barely, as you can see. The reason why I do this is because I did unpack several of them. So basically 3 different ones, and all of them are dry, even though they're supposed to be wet. So not all of them will be wet, they might just dry out in a package, so it kind of makes them redundant. And because of the actual size that you get of these wipes, it's kind of not very convenient to use them. So what I will be using is microfiber cloth. This works like a charm, cleans the display really well, and well, obviously the size of it is massively bigger, so it's way easier to actually utilize this. Anyway, once you have either the dry wipe and wet wipe or the microfiber cloth, you want to clean off your display. So get rid of any kind of fingerprints, dirt, grime that might be on the display. If you see some kind of dust settle on the display after you cleaned it, don't worry about it just yet. We will get rid of it once we are ready to actually apply the tempered glass. And before I actually do so, I'm going to quickly show you how I go about it. So depending on if your tempered glass has a cutout for your camera or does not, if it does, then I would recommend applying it starting from the top of the phone, so like so, making sure that the cutout is located on in the correct location, and pinching the phone itself along with like the screen protector, so it is evenly spaced out from here and here. So this will kind of ensure that it is laying at like virtually identical location with the same spacing from the edge. So what you'll do is just make sure that it is spaced out evenly left and right, and then you will do the same thing at the bottom, pinching the screen and making sure that it's being in the correct place. And from there, I will just apply more pressure right here so it starts gluing, so it wouldn't be actually like deviating much, and just drop it. That's kind of how I apply my tempered glass. It seems to work for me really well, and that's kind of what I do. Now, if you have a different method of applying it which works really good for you, then go right ahead and utilize that. Anyway, so now that we are ready to apply it, I'm gonna make sure that when I was touching the display right now, there's no smudges on it. Looks fine. So let's peel off our protective sticker. Now this will reveal our sticky side right here, so be careful with that, you don't want to touch that. Okay, nothing is on the display, so now I'm gonna just apply it. As you can see, it's already gluing itself. And it went perfectly on there. Now, one thing that I will mention is if you get some kind of dust under the tempered glass and it creates air bubble under it, so it won't like stick completely like it did for me, you could try to get rid of it by grabbing something like tweezers and lifting the glass from one side. Just do it carefully. You can utilize the tweezers, right? So you just kind of like lift it up as I just did, and then grab whatever is under it. So this way, if you had some kind of like trash under the display which got there by some kind of accident, you can try to get rid of it. Now, usually it will be stuck to the tempered glass itself, so you will try to like get it from basically from the bottom of it. And I wouldn't really be so worried about like scratching the tempered glass from underneath. The glue doesn't really move that much, so when it reapplies, just the like if that particle that was basically just in a way gets removed, the even like scratched up glue that is on the glass itself will still apply relatively well without like creating any air bubbles. But obviously you will probably nivellate the actual air bubble that you had, so that is something that you can do. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.